Google is planning to introduce generative AI capabilities in its workspace products to keep up with its competitors in the AI race. The company has recently announced a suite of new features that will soon be available on various workspace apps such as Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These features will allow users to generate, summarize, and brainstorm text using AI in Google Docs. Moreover, they will also be able to create full emails in Gmail based on their bullet points. In addition, AI imagery, audio, and video can be produced to enhance presentations and slides. Google is keen to catch up with its rivals in the AI space, and it has been working tirelessly to launch similar AI features ever since the arrival of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing chatbot. The company has declared a code red and has instructed its staff to add AI tools to all its user products within a few months. Although Google has announced several new features, only the AI writing tools in Docs and Gmail will be made available to a group of US-based trusted testers this month. The company has not provided a specific timeline for the public release of these features and others. The upcoming AI-powered features for workspace apps include drafting, replying, summarizing, and prioritizing emails in Gmail, brainstorming, proofreading, writing, and rewriting text in Docs, generating new backgrounds, and capturing notes in Meet, enabling workflows for getting things done in Chat, and transforming raw data into insights and analysis in Sheets through auto-completion, formula generation, and contextual categorization. The AI writing and brainstorming tools in Google Docs and Gmail are the most promising of the new features. In a demo, a user types a prompt such as, "Help me write," and enters a request like, "Job post for a regional sales representative." The AI system completes the job spec in seconds, allowing users to edit and refine the text. Google expands on these potential functions in a press release, stating that users can type a topic they'd like to write about and a draft will be instantly generated for them. Users can then collaborate with their AI partner to refine and edit the text, getting more suggestions as needed. A similar feature allows users to rewrite or expand text using AI tools. Microsoft is rumored to be building similar features into its Office suite of apps, including Word, Teams, and Outlook, and will detail its plans for the future of work with AI in an event later this week. However, the rush to launch AI products has its dangers, as AI text-generating programs can be unreliable and prone to regurgitating biases present in their training data. As Google integrates this technology into its enterprise software, these failings could cause major issues, such as AI-generated marketing emails inventing new clients or products. In its press release, Google warns that the AI can sometimes get things wrong and requires guidance. While users may find Microsoft's Bing chatbot going off the rails amusing, they may not appreciate an offbeat AI that costs them money. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.